Spanning over 100 years and 3 generations, our family business has traveled the wheel of time through each stage of its long history. Our origins can be traced back to the year 1896, when both the brothers, Hussain Buksh and Karim Buksh, established a small cast iron foundry, wayside Lahore's Branderth Road. Pitted against heavy odds, the brothers worked tirelessly through the twilight of the British Raj. By 1947, the year of Pakistan's birth, the next generation had come of age. Today, our tradition of hard work and dedication to achieve engineering excellence has earned the Qadri Group preeminence as manufacturers of plant and equipment for Pakistan's sugar, steel, cement, chemical, petrochemical and power generation sectors. On the global front, working hand in hand with world-reputed technology partners, we export heavy plant and equipment and spares to sugar, cement and steel plants in USA, Central and Latin America, Europe, Africa and Southeast Asia. Our group companies include Qadri Brothers Private Limited, Cast Private Limited, Qadri Foundry Private Limited, Bros Engineering Private Limited, Qadri Engineering Private Limited, Qadri Heavy Forge, subsidiary of Qadri Brothers, Qadri Sons Private Limited. Our technology partners include Skoda, TS, AS, Pleasant, Czech Republic, Fletcher Smith, Derby, England, 5 Scale, Group 5's Lily, France, South Bay Trading, Vero Beach, Florida, USA, Invelt Industry, Pleasant, Czech Republic. Qadri Brothers Private Limited. Being the oldest within the group, Qadri Brothers may rightly be called our parent organization. The company runs a metallurgical foundry with an annual capacity to produce 6,000 tons of medium and heavy castings ranging between 15 to 30,000 kilograms apiece. The range of cast materials includes carbon steels, alloy steels, alloy cast irons, bronzes, and other non-ferrous materials. Attached to the foundry shop is a pattern making facility and an equipped laboratory for chemical, physical and non-destructive testing. Cast Private Limited, incorporated in March 2006. Cast is currently setting up the country's first modern heavy metallurgical foundry, scheduled to start commercial production by end February 2007. This two-phased project shall have an annual capacity to produce 9,000 tons of heavy grey iron and alloy cast iron castings, as well as 3,000 tons of steel castings weighing up to 40,000 kilograms apiece. Bros Engineering Private Limited, incorporated in June 1989. Bros Engineering is an ISO certified company running the country's largest privately owned machining facility. Equipped with an array of heavy machine tools, components weighing up to 100 tons can be machined in-house. The company carries long years of experience of manufacturing equipment for sugar, cement, steel, chemical, and power plants under license of world-renowned technology partners. The company's reference list includes major projects at home as well as customers located in many countries of the world. Qadri Engineering Private Limited. Incorporated in August 2004, Qadri Engineering has set up one of the country's largest capacity machine shop. Equipped to machine components weighing up to 100 tons apiece. It is expected that by end 2007, the company will be in a position to annually deliver 8,000 tons of plant and equipment to local and overseas customers. Qadri Foundry Private Limited. Incorporated in December 1987, Qadri Foundry is prominently located in the Site Industrial Estate in Karachi. The company runs a metallurgical foundry focused on the manufacture of small and medium weight grey iron, alloy cast iron, spheroidal graphite iron, and non-ferrous castings weighing up to 3,000 kilograms apiece. The foundry shop is equipped with a chemical and physical testing facility. Qadri Heavy Forge is subsidiary of Qadri Brothers. Established in mid-60s, the Qadri Heavy Forge facility is engaged in the manufacture of free-forged components weighing up to 5,000 kilograms apiece. This facility both integrates and complements manufacturing operations of the other companies within Qadri Group. Qadri Sons Private Limited, incorporated in July 2000, Qadri Sons is a trading company engaged in the retail and wholesale of hot-rolled steel sections and structurals. The company also imports and stocks ferroalloys and foundry materials, thereby complementing activities of the manufacturing companies within the group. Commitment to deliver quality, our founding fathers' hard work of the past, our success of the present, and our vision of the future, all stem from our unstinting commitment to quality. To provide the best value in every product and service we offer to our customers, all companies of the Qadri Group implement quality standards through the various stages of research and development, design, production planning, manufacturing, and after-sales service. The expertise of our world-renowned technology partners is readily available to us in complying with international quality standards.